Good morning. What's up? Been a while since I cleaned up all that wood. Planted a little bit. We ended up planting some corn, more cabbage, bok choy. You can see the bok choy just bolted. Corn's doing good. And our old corn back there, it's got to be like 13 feet tall. Did really well. And our lettuce bolted, went to seed. Planted some more lettuce over there. It's probably bitter. It's been up in the upper 90s, and even into the hundreds for a long time. It's supposed to get into the hundreds today. So everything's going to seed. Here's our cabbage. Red cabbage bolted, went to seed. It's going to be ready to pick pretty soon. We planted a row of seed, row of onions, row of lettuce, row of onions. Lettuce, onions. Only about a quarter of the onions came up. Huh? Yeah, you can see.
It's a cold day today.
This is ready to get the seeds off of there.
It's cold today.
Our leeks grew pretty good. Our onions are coming up that we planted. Here's our cabbage that we planted. That hasn't bolted yet. Maybe. Oh, looks like those are getting ready to bolt, go to seed. Our onions are starting to come up good.
Daddy?
Gotta pull some weeds. Huh? What?
It's cold today.
It's not school today. Next Monday.
I said cold.
Oh, it's cool. Yeah, it's nice and cool in the morning. But it's gonna get up to 100 degrees today. We got a bunch of pumpkins coming up. Pumpkins went crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got more growing everywhere. Yeah, corn did really well. Our tomatoes and peppers are finally starting to grow. Produce some fruit for us. And we got one tomato that's starting to turn ripe. Right over here. And down there, oh, two of them are starting to turn ripe. The paste tomatoes. These are all supposed to be the same tomato. It looks like that one's a different one. Ordered these tomato seeds on Amazon. Maybe they got crossbred with something else, because I see the one down there has got a round one on the bottom, and then up on top they got, or midway they got some paste-shaped tomatoes or some. That's why I don't know what kind of seeds they are. What kind of tomatoes they are. What kind of seeds. You can see in here. Tomatoes. These are hatch New Mexico peppers. Starting to come out pretty good. And this is onion ready to harvest the seeds from that. This was growing in the house from store-bought onions in the sack, so they started to grow. So they planted them out there. This one that survived. It went right to seed. Look at them peppers. And we got some bell peppers trying to grow. Look at that. And then these ones. Oh, that's the craziest thing I saw. I don't remember planting these little miniature ones. Yeah, our potatoes were a big fail. I think I watered them too much. Last thing we grew back here is weeds. Yeah, no potatoes. So, yeah, look at this corn. I can't even reach the top. It's like 2 foot above my hand. It's all starting to dry out. We gotta get this picked real quick. I think this might be too dry. And we gotta get these picked and frozen. This week. We've already picked the first 2 rows. Cut down the stalks. Yeah, there we go. I'll give you a quick garden update. We got some chickens coming, some baby chicks, some Plymouth Rock chickens, so we're gonna have to build a chicken coop over in our shed. We got 15 coming, a straight run, male and female. So we're gonna breed our own chickens. They're dual breed chicken. So we get meat from the roosters, eggs from the hens, and yeah, I think that's it for today. We'll see you next time.